Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to increase storage space in SAND. As you complete more expeditions and bring home valuable loot, you'll eventually start running out of storage space. If your stash reaches its maximum capacity, any additional loot you extract won't have anywhere to go, so it's important to expand your storage as you progress. The game will notify you whenever your storage is full, both in the storage menu and on the expedition screen, making it easy to know when it's time for an upgrade. To increase your storage capacity, open the storage menu and look at the upper left corner of the inventory panel. There you'll see your current storage usage along with its maximum capacity. Click the upgrade button and a confirmation window will appear showing how many crowns the upgrade costs, as well as how much additional storage space you'll receive. If you're happy with the upgrade, simply click OK or press the space bar to confirm your purchase. Your storage capacity will increase immediately, giving you more room for future expeditions. Keep in mind that each storage upgrade becomes more expensive than the last, so you'll need to save up plenty of crowns if you plan to keep expanding your stash. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.